In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google ReCaptcha to WPForms. By the end, your forms will be protected from bots while staying simple for real visitors to use. First, head to the Google ReCaptcha site and create a new key for your website. Give it a clear label you'll recognize later, like your site name. Next, choose the type of ReCaptcha you want. Version 2 shows a visible challenge, typically the "I'm not a robot" checkbox, while version 3 runs in the background and scores traffic automatically without a user challenge. If you want a visible prompt, users can click Go with V2. If you prefer a seamless, behind-the-scenes approach, choose V3. Enter your domain, such as example.com, without the HTTPS or www. Adding the root domain generally covers subdomains as well. Accept the terms, complete the setup, and Google will generate a site key and a secret key. Keep these handy and private, as you'll paste them into WordPress next. Now switch to your WordPress dashboard. Go to WPForms, then Settings, and open the CAPTCHA tab. Select Google ReCaptcha as your CAPTCHA provider. You'll see fields to paste in the site key and the secret key you just copied from Google. Make sure you also select the same version you created, V2 or V3, so WPForms matches your Google configuration. Click Save Settings to connect your site to ReCaptcha. If you're using any caching on your site, don't worry if changes don't appear instantly, they usually show up within a minute. With the connection in place, it's time to add ReCaptcha to a form. Open the form you want to protect by going to WPForms, then All Forms, and clicking Edit on the specific form. In the Form Builder, you have two easy options. You can find the ReCaptcha field under Standard Fields and drag it into your form, which is perfect for ReCaptcha V2 because you'll see the checkbox appear. Or, if you prefer a cleaner layout or you're using V3, open Settings, then Spam Protection and Security and toggle on the ReCaptcha option there. Save your form when you're done. That's it. On the front end, V2 will show the familiar checkbox, and V3 will display a small badge indicating protection is active. Your forms now have an important layer of spam defense without adding friction for genuine users.